Hello guys, welcome to Kulfi software services. In this video I will explain you how to add or one or two column in form, whether you want one or two. So simply I will select a template. Here number of templates are available. So we will just selecting research proposal for. So after selecting I will simply select on the load selected template. Then you can see how the form looks like. Here you can see the form is in one column. So if you want the form in two column, you have to simply go on the spreadsheet. Here in the settings section you can see a form display is given. Here you can change the column as one column is selected. I will select this and change it to two column. After changing I will show you how the form looks like. So here I will refresh it. After refreshing you can see how the form looks like in two column. So it's all upon you whether you want the form in one column, two column. So you can easily customize it according to you. So it's very easy to customize the forms in Kulfi forms. Thank you. For more information please watch our next video.